Well, now I'm in my garden with my brand new glasses. These are 1080s, and they're really supposed to be really, really good. I have to get used to them and not move so quick. This is my collard growing here. And let's take a look at these are the new plants that I planted in here. The purple kale. Oh my goodness. Look at, what is that? A banana peel. Bananas. What are we going to do? What am I going to do? What am I going to do? I'm going to take the banana peel, all of it, and the eggshell that's there, push it right in up against the plant there, or in the pot, doesn't matter, and cover it. The banana peel is gone. Here's a little eggshell poking out here. Cover it. Oh, there's another banana peel. What I'm trying to tell you is this is how I compost in place when I've already got plants. They love it. You just push it in there and forget about it, and the critters will do what they're supposed to do, and the plants will just thrive beautifully. Look at them. And this is what I do to a lot of plants. Now in here, I took some celery that I've been just, yellowing leaves, and I threw it in there. For now, I just might leave it, and then what I might do in a few days is come back and throw some wood chips on top. That's how easy it is. You don't have to worry about anything. Even the leaves coming off of this plant that are yellow, pick them, throw them down there. They'll dry up. If I wanted to right now, look at that. Plant doesn't need it. Right now, if I wanted to, I could just throw some wood chips on top. I mean, why make the plant take care of something that I'm not going to eat and the plant doesn't need anymore? So when you have the time, and yes, I don't have a lot of time, but when I do, come through, take the leaves off, just drop them, off to the side. And here, it's as simple as this. Look at this. Let's see if I can get down here. Just grab some wood chips. That's it. It's covered. That's all you need to do. You just cover it, and then you just water your plants like normal, and whatever's down there will just break down on its own. I am not into having big compost bins. To me, that's extra work that I don't have the time to do. This has worked beautifully in my yard. Just wherever I want to do it. If I know I'm going to set something up, like this bin, and this does have holes in it, by the way, on the bottom. If I'm going to set something up, like there's one over there, I'm already throwing compost in there. And it's as easy as that. You have a few things from the kitchen, just push the dirt over, or the soil, wherever you got on top, push it over, push it down an inch or two, cover it up, and the critters in the ground, the microbes, everything will take care of it, and you don't have to bother with anything. So that's how easy it is to compost. Sometimes you got to help the plants out, like I did here. I've got to put a cage here because the rabbits are eating certain things, and then certain things I want to make sure are not touched until they have some size. But that's it. It's as easy as that. And these are my, look at this, hands-free, my new 1080 glasses. The other ones are nice. I like them both. And the reason I like them both is the cheaper glasses that were only $20. I don't have to even think about it and just have it in my purse. And if I go somewhere and I want to record something, I went to the nursery again, and I want to remember some things, I just put it on. With these, I paid $50 for these. And when they first came out, yes, they were like $200. I've seen them even a little cheaper, so look around. You can find them different prices. They seem to be really good. So with that, look at this. Look at all this. I'm just going to say, don't forget to eat what you grow.